Come on, you gotta tell me that Texas is beautiful, isn't it? I'm sitting under this oak tree making videos and I am just having the time of my life. So welcome to another episode of Older Women Backpacking. One of the things I totally like to do is talk about electronics. I just love electronics. I got myself a new cell phone. It is the 11. It's not the Pro, just the 11, and it has an awesome camera. As a matter of fact, I'm filming myself right now talking to you using that. I also got a GoPro 8, and I got that from Sam's Club. It's fun. It comes with 32 gigabytes memory, and also with some other accessories. I bought online for like really cheap, 20 bucks for 20 accessories for my GoPro. And of course, you know, you get what you paid for. I already busted up the tripod, but I am using the selfie stick that came with it and a nice clip, which I'm showing to you right now. This clip can be placed anywhere. When you're backpacking, you can put it on your shoulder, or if you're not backpacking, you can put it, you can clip it onto your clothing. Also, you can use it to put it on trees, branches, for example. I think there's a lot of neat ideas on how to use just a few items that you take out. I want to take out the selfie stick, the clip, the headlamp style to put my GoPro up by my forehead. And then you can also just use the editor to crop it up a bit to bring it up closer. I use KineMaster, which is an awesome little software. I just love it. I'm learning a lot how to use it. It's only mobile. I tried to put it on my laptop, but it wasn't working very well. Say the selfie stick, it's just really convenient to have for everything. You can even raise it all the way up above your head and slowly pan around, or even filming your feet, you're walking, or things like this. There's so many cool ideas. If you have anything that you've discovered on how to use a selfie stick, the clip, the headlamp, or any of the attachments that you can buy for the GoPro, go ahead and share that in the commentaries. I think it'll be very interesting and fun ways to share some of those ideas. Well, thank you for listening to me for the last couple of minutes regarding electronics and what I bring out when I go backpacking. Everything is new, so I'm enjoying sharing everything that I look for the other videos that I'm making. Also, tent gear as well as cooking gear, mainly, and some sleeping gear too. This is the first time I take all the stuff out on a actually car camping trip at a facility here, a ranch. And you can get more information about places to camp, car camping, especially glamping, looking online, or just go to Hip Camp. This is an app, and it's a great app. I found this place. It's for every area, actually. You just put where you're looking at, and you can find awesome places that are privately. This, for example, is a 250-acre ranch, and I'm paying like 15 bucks a night, two nights minimum. And to use the app, I think there's a surcharge of like $7 for the 2 days. I enjoy that. I thought that was a good find. And if you find something similar, do share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.